Hello children, I am your art and craft teacher Shivendra Singh. Today we will do this topic in our craft. To celebrate Dashera at our homes due to COVID times, we will make Ravana at home and celebrate this festival inside. For this you need yellow or skin color A4 size sheet, piece of white paper, orange, magenta. You can take any other colors also. Black for the mukut. Material for decoration, scissors, glue, red and black marker, pencil, a stick, scale, and any lead or bowl for the circles. Take a yellow or light skin color sheet paper. I am taking yellow. For the faces, put a line here. You have to draw 4 circles in a line, then 5 circles in a line. For this I am using one, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we will cut the last one, this is the extension for pasting on the back side of the main face. And here also you can do 2 things. You can cut the circle separately or in a line, and you will do the decoration work, the face, the eyes and all. So I already cut this is the main face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the main one. Now I'll show you the main face, and we'll have to decorate or draw the same on the other faces. Take any color of the sheet and fold it from here, measuring the head, and draw the mukut of Ravana. Cut it. And see, the mukut is ready. Take a glue, put it here, and paste it here. Like this we have to do on these faces also. For this, fold the sheet 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3 times, and we will get 9 mukuts, 9 crowns of Ravana. Same thing we have to do. Draw here and now these mukuts are ready. 9 for the 9 faces of Ravana. This is the main 10th one, right? We have to put glue here and paste mukuts on all the faces. All these mukuts with faces are, these faces with mukuts are ready. I already cut white small circles and 2 big circles for eyes. You have to put little glue over here, and we will put eyes like this on each one face, on each face, right? Now the faces are ready with eyes. Now we have to put mustaches. For this we will use paper for the main big face. Others, the smaller faces, we will do with marker or sketch pen. These are the mustaches, right? Put glue here. And paste it here. Now take a marker and draw the eyeballs, the eyebrows, the nose, and the mouth, the lips with rest of the faces we will do like this only, like this only. Now the faces are ready. To make it more colorful, I am putting another color here. Paste, take another color, the smaller shape of the mukut, and paste on each and every face. I use these for decorating the mukut. And now the faces are ready. We'll start with these. Put Fevicol and paste it, and paste all the faces, 5 on one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your Ravana is almost ready. Only thing, we have to stick an ice cream stick, or this is a wooden spoon, disposable one. Put it here, let it dry, and I can't actually show you because it is wet. Yes, that's all for today. Bye.